Hello, welcome to senhasegura Shorts. In this video, we will learn how to use the local units in my client computer in a remote session through senhasegura. As an example, I will use my computer's second disk, disk D, for a remote session on my final server through senhasegura. I will first access the Windows remote connection. The main configuration is here. We will click Show Options, Local Resources, Local Devices and Resources, More. And where it says Units, I will define which units I want to map. In this case, I will only select Disk D. After it's flagged, I click OK. Here, we always have the senhasegura address. We click Connect, and now I will authenticate for Jump Server RDP Gate in senhasegura. So in this case, it's as if I'm doing a web authentication, so the same user and password as normal. On device, I will add the name of my final device, and for username, the credential I will use for the authentication. In this case, since I'm using a domain credential, I will first write the domain / my credential. I don't need a password in these fields because the user's password is already in the vault, so it will be done for me. I'll click Access, and after I'm logged in the server, I'll open the Windows File Explorer in my server. Here on this PC, I can see the D unit mapped, and it says D on PC 627, which is my client computer. And here I can see all my files available for use in the remote session. That's all for today. Thank you, and until next time.